Hello guys and welcome back to Beardchanics garage. Today we are just having a quick video because some of you requested to actually see what the registration plate look like when it is on the car. So as you can see, I am in the Audi S3 8V and I'm going to pop out and show you the registration plate on. So remember, it's made basically from a tow hook, and then in the video I said that it's made of aluminium, but actually I got it wrong. It's stainless steel, which meant it was more of a pain to actually shape it. But anyway, I am quite pleased with the result, considering we didn't really have the plan, didn't work out anything in advance, and just, you know, just cracked on with it and adapted ourselves and stuff like that. Definitely going to upgrade to an aluminium plate later, you know. And but you know, for now it doesn't really matter, and ideally I like to do the same from the rear as well, but obviously the rear will have to work out some lightning for it. But anyway, let's run the intro and have a look at the car. There we go. So the plate is stainless. You can see tow mount there. After you can see it's not perfect symmetry, like here the angle is slightly different and stuff like that, but it is roughly done. And unfortunately it was done in stainless steel because yours truly took the stainless steel sheet instead of the aluminium one, so we will redo it in aluminium. But overall I prefer it personally. The missus is not fan. She doesn't like Alfa Romeo because the reg plate is to the side, and now it is to the side, but compared to the nonchalant one I had, I think it looks better. A bit at an angle. But yeah, there was kind of lined up sort of nicely, you know, considering it was quickly thrown together without a proper plan as such, apart from reusing the tow hook. I think it worked out quite good. Yeah, and the car is still very dirty, as you can see. And that is it, guys. Like I said, a very quick one. At least you know what it looks like all done. And yeah, we can move on with our life. If you want to see how it's done, I'll put a link in the corner. Go check out the making of. And yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Bye.